Yay! Is it taking to the market like this? How many goals are those? 2? Africa for you. Goodbye.
Back to another vlog. Thank you guys for the support that you're giving me these days when you're commenting, liking and sharing my video, and I hope you also like this video. Please share it with your favorite person like me. This is another vlog still in Malawi, and we are going to a new town called Nitcheu. I hope I pronounced that well. Nitcheu. Yes. So the food here in the street is amazing. Everywhere you find fresh food, fruits. You get meat like the one we get. In the previous video, you saw we bought corn. And here is a lot of people. That's why the taxi rank is here. Motorbike. Let's see what they sell in their market, their street market. Here is the item that we saw from the bus because I couldn't get out. So enjoy. Day 5 of our trip in Malawi, another successful trip. We are now in Nitcheu to visit the 2 successful farmer field school groups.
Schools they should be practicing on their different farms.
Ndi mwazina zimene tikuchita ndiye kuti ndi maploti panopo angapo amene yoyamba ndino ya ineyo imene ndinayikapo na ndolo, inayo muli grisidia, inayo ili ndi katupe, inayo ili ndi jerejere.
For him, this is his farm where he practices whatever he learned from the school. So the plot where you're standing, he planted maize and pigeon peas. The other plot there is grisidia and maize and
Sisbania.
Part of this big section.
Yeah. Oh, pineapple.
Yes, this is pineapple.
Me? I'm following the official. I think it's you. They're moving slow. Call it kiwano.
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 Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Very much.
Not everywhere in Namibia. In Namibia. Is this Nara? In Namibia. It's not the same. Oh, same family. Yeah.
This one.
I'm fascinated by a lot of things. And this crop is one of it. It's called kiwano. I saw it in the other video, the first video when I arrived in Malawi. It was at the open market. Yeah. It's called kiwano. It's more looking like Nara. I want to plant this one. If you know where I can get the seed for this one, please comment down below. I really need to plant this one. I need to experience it and I want to test it. Hopefully I'll test it. Here is another second group. This one is more to do with rehabilitating the rainforest. So stay tuned. I said Wednesday.
Imitseni mafumu amene muli pakati pathu mutabwera apa alendowa akudziwe.
coming in front our local leaders, the chiefs from the villages that surrounded the forest here.
amene mwabwera kunoko kwa group akasale kudzaona ntchito zimene ifeyo ngati eni dera tikugwira ntchito potenga mbali kusamalirapo za chilengedwe. Tifuna tikulandireni ndi manja awiri kunoko kwa group akasale. Khala nomasuka kuti mudzaphunzire zimene ifeyo timachita. Koposaposa khomo limene limalandira alendo ifeyo limakhala onyaditsa. Chifukwa chichewa chathu timanena kuti mulendo nthawi zina amadzankalumuka kuthu.
They are happy because of your visiting, and they are happy to host you. He's saying you should feel free, and they expect you learn more. They also expect to learn more from you because there is this proverb that says a new broom sweeps clean. Yeah. So you are welcome. Feel free.
I love this trip. Thank you to the sponsor who sponsored us to come and visit Malawi. Malawi has been on my bucket list of countries to visit in Africa. Now I just have Zimbabwe and Lesotho. See you soon there. So I've learned a lot and I've enjoyed every moment of my stay in Malawi, especially the food, the street food, the takeaway, the sima, the fish. The people are friendly, hence why they call them the heart of Africa. Very patient, they don't get easily angered, and they're just living in the moment. I think one can learn a thing or two from them. So, since you have been watching my vlogs about Malawi, tell me what have you learned from all this vlog? What did you learn about Malawi? Do you think you can visit this country as a tourist? From me and my side, I want to go back to Malawi. I want to go visit it on my own time when I really have time, so that I will soak up the moment, enjoy the people, and enjoy just things without being in a rush or anything like that. But before, let's go visit these milk farmers. One thing I've learned about Malawi people, not only they are kind, patient, but they're also respectful, hardworking, and then they can work in groups successfully. And then that's why Farmer Field School is working here. When you look at this market, you see a lot of produce. For example, here you are seeing cabbages. These are the farmers that put together their vegetable and then just sell together at the market. And one of them is just selling here while the rest are there waiting for the money. Look at all these. If we can do this in other countries. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and my Malawi vlog. For now, we are traveling back to go to Lilongwe. Lilongwe is the capital city for Malawi, where we are going to pick up our bag, hop on the train, and just go back to Namibia. We have learned a lot and we are going to implement this one. So stay tuned. You'll see the result of this Malawi trip in one of the vlogs that is coming at the end of this year. Thank you.